Are you wondering how to use AdCreative AI for programmatic advertising? In this quick explanation, I'm going to break down exactly how you can leverage this software to create high-converting ads with ease, using AI to automate your creative process. Now, before we dive into how to use AdCreative AI, I want to let you know that you can access this tool completely free by using the link below. We have an exclusive offer that gives you an extended trial to make sure you can explore the software fully. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around till the end because I'm about to show you some powerful features that will take your programmatic ad campaigns to the next level. So, let's get right into it. AdCreative AI is a platform that helps businesses create ads using artificial intelligence. It's specifically designed for programmatic advertising, which means it can automatically generate ads that are optimized for multiple channels, like Google Ads, Facebook, and more. What makes it stand out is its ability to generate thousands of variations of your ads with just a few clicks. This is great for running large-scale campaigns where personalization and variety are key. To get started, all you need to do is input a few basic details about your campaign, such as your target audience, your goal, like increasing conversions or boosting engagement, and any brand assets you want to use, such as logos, colors, and images. The AI then takes this information and uses machine learning to create ads that are not only visually appealing, but also aligned with your campaign objectives. One of the key benefits of using AdCreative AI for programmatic advertising is its automation. Traditional ad creation can be time-consuming and often requires significant input from designers. With this tool, the AI handles most of the heavy lifting for you. It can generate ads at scale, adjusting to the specifics of the platform you're advertising on, whether it's display ads, social media, or video content. Another great feature is its built-in performance prediction. Once your ads are created, AdCreative AI can analyze how well they are likely to perform based on historical data. This allows you to test different variations of your ads, select the top performers, and optimize your campaigns in real time. So instead of wasting time and budget on underperforming ads, you're able to focus on what works and scale your successes quickly. If you're looking to increase conversions, AdCreative AI also helps with optimizing your copy. It can suggest copy variations and test which versions resonate best with your audience, ensuring you're always putting your best foot forward. Now, let's talk about programmatic advertising. This is where the magic happens. Programmatic ads use automated technology to buy and place ads in real time, allowing you to target the right audience at the right moment. With AdCreative AI, you can take this to a whole new level. The AI automatically generates and optimizes creative assets for your programmatic campaigns, meaning your ads are always tailored to the platform, audience, and context. This results in better engagement, lower costs per conversion, and more efficient ad spend. One of the most useful features when using AdCreative AI for programmatic advertising is the ability to test multiple creatives at once. By running several versions of an ad with slight variations, you get to see what works best without having to manually adjust everything. This is a huge time saver and lets you scale faster and more efficiently. If you're new to this kind of advertising, don't worry. The platform is user-friendly and offers guided setup, making it accessible even for beginners. And if you need extra support, their team is there to help, but you'll likely find you can navigate everything yourself in just a few minutes. To wrap up, if you're looking to maximize your programmatic advertising strategy and want to create optimized, high-converting ads without the headache of traditional methods, AdCreative AI is definitely worth checking out. And don't forget, you can use it for free through the exclusive link in the description below, giving you access to all the features for an extended trial. It's the perfect opportunity to start optimizing your campaigns and take your ads to the next level. So go ahead, click the link below, and start using AdCreative AI today.